Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss 10.3, exercise number 10.3. In that exercise, we are using the chain rule. One of the chain rule, let us consider capital F of x equal to f naught g of x. It is called composition of function. F naught g of x is called, we can define the composition of function. F naught of g of x, we can write f of g of x. It is called inside function, outside function. Inside function defined by g of x, outside function defined by f of x. And the both are depends upon the variable x. And if you derivative as a given function capital F of x as first derivative defined by f dash of x, that means the first we have to differentiate the outside function f dash of within the bracket as it is, and differentiate this, it is f of g of x function with respect to x, and it derivatives comes f dash of it is g of x. The differentiation of it is f of g of x as it is f dash of it is g of x. Again within the bracket function we have inside function g of x, again we want to differentiate, and into it is g dash of x. Differentiation of it is g of x become g dash of x. Therefore capital f dash of x is equal to small f dash of it is g of x into g dash of x, called chain rule for the first one. The another one, second one, y is a function with respect to f of it is u. The function with respect to it is u. The y function with respect to u. Then u function that is equal to g of x. The u function with respect to x. Now differentiate the y function with respect to x. With respect to x, we can write dy by dx. The y function differentiate with respect to x. The y function defined by that is equal to f of u, and this y function differentiate with respect to it is u. We can write dy by du. But u function with respect to x, therefore du by dx. So applying of it is chain rule. Applying of chain rule, dy by dx equal to dy by du into du by dx. Using this chain rule to solve the sum in the exercise number 10.3. Okay, example number it is 10.8. Find the f dash of x if the f of x equal to square root of x square plus it is 1. Apply the chain rule to derive this given function. Now we know f of it is x, that is equal to f naught of it is g of it is x, and that is equal, we can write f of it is g of it is x. If you derive this function, the derivative will become f dash of it is x, that is equal to f dash of it is g of it is x into g dash of x. It is a property, chain rule. Using this chain rule, we have to derive this equation. And before that, just we have considered within the bracket of the capital F of x function, the within the bracket term we consider is equal to u, and take u that is equal to x square plus it is 1, and that function is defined by what? G of it is x, inside function. Now therefore it is f of it is u, that is equal to, and this function is defined by it is f of u, that is called square root of it is u. And that we can write what? The square root of u, right, is equal to square root of it is u equal, we can write u power it is 1 by 2. U power it is 1 by 2. Now this function f of u that is equal to square root of u, and that is equal to square u power it is 1 by 2, differentiate with respect to u. It becomes what? F function differentiate f dash of it is u, that is equal to what form this one? D by it is dx of it is x power it is n form. And we know the derivative n into x power it is n minus 1. Apply this derivative formula to differentiate this one. Therefore it is here n is what? 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by 2 into u power it is 1 by 2 minus 1. And that is equal to 1 by 2 into u power it is just multiply a term. It is 1 minus 2 by 2. It is minus, it is 1 by 2. That is equal, because of minus, right, the denominator form. It is 1 by 2 into u power it is 1 by 2. And that is equal to 1 by 2 into the 1 power as 1 by 2, right, square root of it is u. Therefore f dash of u equal to 1 by 2 into square root of u. Now is consider it is g function. What is g function? G function is called, it is u. Therefore u is equal to g of it is x, that is equal to x square plus it is 1. Now differentiate the value, it is either it is du by it is dx or g dash of it is x that is equal to differentiation of x square again x power n form 2 into x power it is 2 minus 1 plus constant term equal to 0. 1 is called constant where derivative becomes 0. That is equal to 2 into x power it is 1, it can simply write as 2x, that is called g dash of it is x. Now just we can call this equation that is equal to 1, f dash of x that is equal to f dash of g of x into g dash of x, it is called 1. Therefore first equation that implies f dash or capital F dash of x that is equal to f dash of it is g of x. F dash of it is g of x, we can write what? G of x call it is u function. Into it is g dash of x into g dash of it is x. That is equal to f dash of u. What is f dash of u? F dash of u that is equal to 1 by 2 into root of it is u. Therefore it is 1 by 2 into square root of it is u. And g dash of function just we derive it is that value equal to 2x. It is 2 it is x. 2 to r it is cancelled. That is equal to x by the square root of it is u. That is equal to x by square root of it is what is the value of it is u? U that is equal to x square plus it is 1. Therefore x square plus it is 1. And that is called it is capital F dash of it is x. By applying of chain rule, we have to get this answer. Come to next example number 10.9. Differentiate y equal to sine of it is x square. First one, y that is equal to sine of it is x square. Now let us take u that is equal to x square, that implies y equal to sine it is x square considered as u, therefore write as u. So let us consider it is within the bracket term that is equal to u equal to x square, therefore y equal to sine of x square, write as it is u. Now u function differentiate with respect to x, y function differentiate with respect to it is u. Differentiate with respect to x, du by it is dx, and that is equal to x power n form, n equal to 2, therefore 2 into x power it is 2 it is minus 1. Differentiate y function with respect to it is u, dy by it is du, that is equal to differentiation of sine become plus it is cos it is u. Now that is equal to 2 into x power it is 2 minus 1 equal to 1, right, as it is 2x. Now applying of chain rule, by using chain rule, what is chain rule? dy by it is dx that is equal to dy by it is du into it is du by dx. Chain rule. Apply this chain rule to solve the sum. And that is equal to, we already derived dy by du that is equal to cos u. Cos it is u into du by dx that is equal to 2x. It is 2 into x. That is equal to cos, just we apply the value of it is u. U equal to what? Here considered x square. Therefore it is cos of x square into it is 2 it is x. That is rewrite as it is 2x into cos of it is x square. That is finally it is derivative. Next, similarly second it is 1. Second it is 1. The given function y equal to sine square it is x. Again similarly we consider it is u equal to sin x here. Take u that is equal to sin it is x. That implies it is what is the y? Y equal to sin x it is called u. You can write this u square. It is called it is u square. Therefore again differentiate u function with respect to it is x, y function with respect to y. Therefore the derivative of u function we can write du by it is dx that is equal to the differentiation of sin become plus it is cos it is x. Then it is differentiation of y become it is dy by it is d it is u, that is equal to differentiation of it is u square equal to 2 it is u, 2 power it is minus 1, n into x, u power n minus it is 1, and x power it is u, x power 2 it is x power it is n form, n into x power it is n minus 1, that is equal to 2 into it is u. Now apply the chain rule. What is chain rule? dy by it is dx that is equal to dy by it is du into du by it is dx. That is equal to dy by du, that is equal to 2u, 2 into it is u into, then du by dx equal to cos x. It is cos, it is x. Now replace value of it is u. U is considered what? Sin. That is equal to 2 times of it is sin, it is x into it is cos, it is x. Now we know the formula for it is sin 2 theta. Sin it is 2, it is theta. It is equal to 2 into sin it is theta into it is cos theta, 2 theta formula. Therefore it is 2 into sin theta cos theta. We can write sin it is 2, it is x, 2 into x. Sin it is 2 into x. Come to next example, 10.10. Differentiate the given function y equal to x power 3 minus 1 whole power it is 100. Now again within the bracket term, let us consider s equal to u. Take u that is equal to x power it is 3 minus it is 1. That implies we know y that is equal to what? This term defined by it is u, whole power it is 100. Therefore u power it is 100. Differentiate with respect to u function as x, differentiate y function with respect to it is u. Therefore du by it is d it is x, du by dx is equal to x power it is n form, n equal to 3, 3 into x power it is 3 minus it is 1, and minus constant term it is 0, and that is equal to 3 into x power it is 2. Then differentiate y, dy by it is d, it is u, that is equal again x power n form, n equal to 100, 100 into u power it is 100 minus this one, and that is equal to 100 into u power it is 99. Now applying of it is chain rule. What is chain rule? dy by it is dx, that is equal to dy by it is du into du by it is dx, that is equal to dy by du, that is equal to 100 u power it is 99 into du by dx equal to 3x square, 3 into x square, and applying of it is u value. What is u? U is called x power 3 minus 1. Therefore 100 into x power it is 3 minus it is 1 whole power it is 99 into 3 into it is x square. Just it is multiply the term. It is 300 x power it is 2 into x power it is 3 minus it is 1 whole power it is 99, and this final answer. Come to next example, 10.11. Find f dash of x if the given function f of x equal to 1 by the cube root of x square plus x plus it is 1. Now first we can rearrange the term 1 by x square plus it is x plus it is 1 whole power, the cube root we can write 1 by it is 3. Again this is denominator and write in numerator form, that is equal to x square plus it is x plus it is 1 whole power it is minus it is 1 by 3, and it's called given it is function f of x. Now using this it is function, just we have to differentiate. Now without using the chain rule, directly we can differentiate. Differentiation with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, the f of x become it is f dash of it is x. Now it x power it is n form, that is equal to n equal to minus 1 by 3 into x square plus it is x plus it is 1 whole power minus 1 by 3 minus 1. It is n into x power it is n minus 1, but we have the term, we know the differentiation formula, d by dx of it is x power it is n, we can write as it is n into x power it is n minus 1. If you are applying of this derivative x power n as n into x power n minus 1, and if you differentiate this x term with respect to x, it become 1, it is understood. So no need to write again every time as 1. If any other term of it is x, we have to differentiate the term. Now instead of this x, we have the term is called x square plus x plus it is 1. Now again we want to differentiate within the bracket term into d by it is dx of x square plus it is x plus it is 1. That is equal to minus 1 by 3 as it is into x square plus it is x plus it is 1, and multiply minus 1 minus multiply term it is 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by it is 3 minus 4 by it is 3 into differentiate within the bracket term x power n form it is 2 into x power it is 2 minus it is 1 then it is plus differentiation of it is with respect to x as x it is 1 plus it is 1 as constant term it is 0 and that is equal to just write as it is minus 1 by 3 that is equal to minus it is 1 by it is 3 into x square plus it is x plus it is 1 as it is whole power minus it is 4 by 3 into and 2x no 2 minus 1 is called x plus it is 1 plus it is 1. Now it is minus term, write the denominator form that is equal to minus into 2x plus it is 1 by 3 into x square plus it is x plus it is 1 whole power minus become plus it is 4 by 3 and it is final answer. Come to next example 10.12. Find the derivative of the function g of t that is equal to t minus 2 by 2t plus 1 whole power it is 9. Now directly we differentiate. Differentiation with respect to x, the left hand side become it is g dash of it is t that is equal to, we consider as it is this total term as x power n form. Therefore what is n here? It is 9. Therefore it is 9 into within the bracket of t minus 2 by it is 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 9 minus 1 n into x power it is n minus 1. So now instead of x we have the term, again we want to differentiate, that is condition. So into d by it is dt within the bracket of t minus 2 by it is 2t plus it is 1. Again repeated, g dash of it is g of it is t, g of t differentiate with respect to it is t. G of t with respect to t, g dash of it is t equal to 9 into x power it is n minus 1, here it is this term is called x, 9 into t minus 2 by 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 9 minus 1. Again within the bracket term differentiate with respect to t, d by dt of within the bracket term write as it is. Now differentiate again this term by applying of it is u by v differentiation and that is equal to 9 into within the bracket of t minus 2 by 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 9 minus 1 is called it is 8 remaining. Applying of it is when d no, u by it is v differentiation. You know it is d by it is dx of it is u by it is v that is equal to v square into v into du by it is dx minus it is u into dv by it is dx. By applying of it is quotient, it is property. Quotient property u by v differentiation and first write as denominator equal v square and first keep this it is v as it is and differentiate the numerator term du by dx minus keep numerator as it is, differentiate denominator dv by dx by this property of quotient. Now here it is u is called it is t minus 2 and v is called 2t plus it is 1. Now differentiate. Denominator is called it is what? 2t plus it is 1. It is a t v square. Now again it is keep v 2t plus it is 1 is called v. Differentiate with respect to t into it is 2t t minus 2. Then minus keep numerator it is t minus 2 as it is. Differentiate with respect to t within the bracket of 2t plus it is 1. Now denominator is called v square, v is called it is 2t plus 1 whole square. Again numerator keep it is v as it is, differentiate numerator term it is t minus 2 minus keep the numerator term t minus 2 as it is, differentiate denominator 2t plus it is 1. Now differentiate these two terms, that is equal to 9 into t minus 2 by it is 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 8 right as it is. Again the denominator 2 it is t plus it is 1 it is whole square as it is. Then the term it is 2t plus it is 1 into differentiation of it is t minus 1 t with respect to differentiate with respect to t it is 1 x differentiate with respect to 1, here it is differentiating with respect to t, therefore t is differentiating with respect to t and that is 1 minus the 2 is called constant term it is 0 minus t minus 2 as it is t minus 2 as it is. Differentiation of 2t plus it is 1. 2 into it is t, differentiation with respect to it is t, it is 1. Therefore, it is 2 into 1 plus constant term it is 0. And that is equal to 9 into t minus 2 by 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 8 as it is within the bracket of denominator same. And numerator it is 2t plus it is 1 into 1 first term minus t minus 2 into second term it is 2. And just it is multiply the term inside the bracket, that is equal to 9 into t minus 2 by it is 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 8 within the bracket is not the same. 2t plus it is 1, 2t plus 1, then multiply minus into plus minus it is 2 into t minus plus 2 to 0 it is plus it is 4. Now 2 minus 2t plus 2t both are cancelled, that is equal to 9 into t minus 2 by 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 8 as it is within the bracket of the term it is 5 is remaining and denominator is 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 2 this remaining. Now get this power inside the bracket and that is equal to 9 into t minus 2 whole power it is 8 by it is 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 8 into and 5 by it is 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 2. Now just combine the both the term, both are same one and multiply 5 into 9 is called 45. That is final answer 45 into t minus 2 whole power it is 8 by 2t plus 1 whole power it is 8, 2t plus 1 whole power 2, just adding the term to 8 plus 2 equal 10. Therefore it is 2t plus it is 1 whole power it is 10. That's final answer. Come to next example number 10.13. Differentiate given function 2x plus it is 1 whole power 5 x power 3 minus x plus it is 1 whole power 4. Now first let us consider it is y that is equal to 2x plus it is 1 whole power it is 5 into x power it is 3 minus x plus it is 1 whole power 4. Now directly we can apply it as it is u into v, it is method, but the derivatives get difficulties. Now applying of it is substitution it is take it is within the bracket term, first one it is called u, second term is called v. Take u that is equal to 2x plus it is 1 and it is v that is equal to x power 3 minus x plus it is 1. And that is implies what is a y that is equal to this term is defined by it is u, therefore u power it is 5 into this term defined by v, therefore v power it is 4. That is called it is first one. Now this it is equation differentiate with respect to x. Therefore what differentiation with respect to x, but it is a y function with respect to u and v, but it is u and v function with respect to x. So therefore differentiation out to differentiate dy by it is dx. Differentiation of it is y function, difference the function it is y, differentiate with respect to x, therefore dy by dx that is equal to, and differentiate it is uv differentiation here. U is called this term, v is called the second term. Now first keep it is u power it is 5. You know the differentiation of it is uv differentiation, d by it is dx of it is u into v that is equal to u into dv by it is dx plus it is v into du by it is dx. It is called it is product rule. Now the product rule using here it is u is called u power it is 5, v is called v power it is 4. Now first we can keep it is u term that is called u power it is 5 and keep as it is, differentiate second term and d by it is dx of it is v power it is 4 plus again keep it is v term, v power it is 4 as it is, differentiate the first term it is d by it is dx of it is u power it is 5. Now differentiate the equation that is equal to, and u power it is 5 as it is, differentiate it is v power it is 4 with respect to x. So if you u power it is x power n form, n equal to 4, therefore 4 into v power it is 4 minus 1. But it is this it is v function with respect to what? X. Therefore again we have to differentiate d by it is dx of it is v. So here, listen here it carefully. It is a differentiation of it is v function with respect to x power n form. X power n equal to n into x power n minus 1, but it is v, here it is x. If it is, we have the term here, it is x, difference with respect to x, it is become 1, but it is not, it is x, it is v. Therefore, we want to differentiate again the v function with respect to x. And plus, this place is important one. Again, same one, and keep v power it is 4 as it is. Differentiation of it is u power 5, x power it is n form, therefore 5 into u power it is 5 minus 1. And again it is differentiate with respect to it is u as it is x, d by it is dx of it is u. Because, and this differentiation with respect to x, it is not x term, it is u term. If it is in this place we have x, differentiation x with respect to x, it is 1, no need to write differentiation. Therefore, but here we have the function is called u again, and with the u function differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, u power 5 differentiation with respect to x as 5 into u power it is 5 minus 1, n into x power n minus 1, but instead of x we have u, again we have to differentiate u function with respect to it is x. Now, what next? Here we want to differentiate it is u function. First we have substitute here v function and u function. What is v? X power 3 plus minus x plus 1 substitute here, and here also we have to substitute the function u function equal to 2x plus 1. Therefore, that is equal to what here? U power it is 5 into 4 into v power it is 3, v power 3 into d by it is dx of v. What is the v here? X power 3 minus x plus it is 1 is called v. Then plus v power it is 4. V power it is 4 into 5 into u power it is 5 minus 1 is called it is 4 into d by dx of within the bracket of u is called here. What is u? 2x plus it is 1. Therefore, it is 2x plus 1. Now, differentiate these two, it is term. Remaining simplification, 4 into u power it is 5, v power it is 3 into differentiation with respect to x, because it is total within the bracket term in the x form, differentiation also with respect to x, therefore directly differentiate x power n form, that is equal to 3 into x power it is 3 minus 1 minus x differential with respect to x it is 1 plus it is constant term 0 plus it is v power it is 4, v power 4, right? First it is 5 into v power it is 4 into u power it is 4, 4 into differentiation with respect to x, it is 2 into 1 plus it is constant term 0. Now just simplification, that is equal to 4 into u power it is 5, v power it is 3, within the bracket of it is 3 into x power it is 2 minus it is 1. Plus it is 5 into v power it is 4 into u power it is 4 into 2 simplification. Just multiply a term, that is equal to, just it is replace a term, it is u and it is v. What is the u here? Otherwise we can do one thing, we can take it as u power it is 3, u power 4 is common, v power 3 is common. V power 3 is common, the two term, and u power 4 is common. We can take it as a u power it is 4 and v power it is 3. Take common from the two term. What is remaining? 4 is remaining. One more u is remaining, and then it is 3x square minus 1 is remaining, plus it is 5 is remaining, and v power it is 3 in the outer, remaining one more it is v, and u power it is 4 already out, it is into 2. That simply can write as 2. That is equal to u power it is 4 and v power it is 3, within the bracket of 4 it is u into 3 it is x square minus it is 1 and plus it is just multiply 10 into v. Now applying of it is u v for values. What is the u? U is called it is 2x plus it is 1 is called it is u. Then it is whole power it is 4, then v equal to x power 3 minus it is x plus it is 1 is called it is v whole power 3 within the bracket of 4 into u equal to 2x plus it is 1 into 3x square minus it is 1 plus it is 10 into u equal to x power 3 minus x plus it is 1. Just it is simplify the within the bracket term, the outside terms are it is same within the bracket of and multiply it is 8x plus it is 4. Multiply into 3x square minus it is 1 as it is plus it is multiply it is 10 x power it is 3 minus it is 10 it is x plus it is 10. And keep the first two term it is as it is differentiation, and then it is just multiply these two it is term. 8 into 3 it is 24, x into x power it is the 2 it is called x power 3, 24 it is x power it is 3 minus it is 8 into 1, 8x into 1 is called 8x plus it is 12x square minus it is 4 plus it is 10x power it is 3 minus 10x plus it is 10. Now simplify the term, that is equal to first two terms are as it is, and the combine of these two terms it is 24x power 3, 10x power 3 added term both are plus it is 34x power it is 3, then it is minus it is plus it is 12 it is x square, then minus 8x minus it is 10x minus it is 18x, then constant term minus 4 plus it is 10 it is plus it is 6. Now all the term it is possible to take it is 2 is commonly, therefore we can take 2 out, 2 into 2x plus it is 1 whole power it is 4 into x power 3 minus x plus it is 1 whole power it is 3, within the bracket of it is take a 2 is commonly, remaining it is 17. 2 into 17 is called 34, 17 x power it is 3, can take it is 2 into 6, 6 it is x square, and 2 into it is 9 it is minus 9x plus it is 3. Therefore, it is the final simplification for the sum. Come to next example number 10.14. Differentiate the given function y equal to e power sin x. Now take u that is equal to sin it is x, and that implies it is what is the y equal to e power, and this term defined by u, e power it is v, e power it is u power it is u. Now the u function differentiate with respect to it is x, and y function with respect to it is u. Therefore du by it is dx, that is equal to differentiation of sin become plus it is cos x, and then differentiation of y with respect to it is u, dy by it is dx, sorry d it is u, that is equal to, and e power it is u becomes same it is e power it is u. Differentiation of it is d by dx of it is e power it is x become it is same it is e power it is x. Therefore differentiation of it is e power u becomes same it is e power u. Now applying of it is chain rule, and what is it, dy by it is dx, that is equal to dy by it is du into du by it is dx, that is equal to the first term dy by dx equal to it is e power it is u into du by dx equal to cos it is x. Now just replace it is u value, e power it is u equal to sin it is x, u equal sin x into it is cos it is x. We can rewrite as it is cos x into e power it is sin it is x, that's finally its derivative. Come to next 10.15. Differentiate 2 power it is x. Now let us consider y that is equal to 2 power it is x. So now here applying it is formula, e power it is log it is a, that is equal to a. Now this it is function, it is using a rising exponential and logarithmic form, that is equal to e power it is log 2 power it is x. So it e power it is log it is a, that is equal to a. A we can write as e power it is log a. So therefore here a equal to 2 power x. Now just it is write this term as it is e power it is x into log it is 2. Now here it is we take a term it is within the bracket, power term it is e power term is called considered as equal to u. Take here u is equal to it is log 2 power it is x. And that means it is x into log it is 2, that is equal to log 2 into x, because it is log 2 is called constant coefficient term, x is called variable here. Now with the u function is called log 2 into x. Now differentiate with respect to it is x. What is it? du by it is dx, that is equal to log 2 as coefficient term. Differentiation of x with respect to x it is 1. that is equal to log it is 2. Now here if u is called, it is what? It is log 2 power it is x. Then applying of it is y. What is the y? Y is defined by here e power it is x into log x. Therefore y is equal to e power, this term is called, it is u. It is called e power it is u. Now differentiate the y function with respect to x. dy by it is du, that is equal to e power x, differentiation of it is e power u equal to becomes same, it is e power u. Now applying of it is chain rule. What is chain rule? dy by it is dx, that is equal to dy by it is du into du by it is dx. Now dy by du, that is equal to e power it is u into du by dx, that is equal to what? It is log 2. It is log, it is 2. Now that is equal to log 2 into e power, what is u? U is defined by it is what? It is log of it is 2 power it is x. Log it is 2 power it is x. Again it is what? Applying of same, it is property of it is log, it is e power it is log a equal to a. E power it is log a, that is equal to a, that is equal to log 2, and a is called, it is 2 power it is x. Therefore that is equal to 2 power it is x into it is log 2, and that is final simplification. Next example, it is 10.16. If it is y equal to tan inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, to find out as it is y dash. So it is inverse function, you know it is the derivative of inverse function. D by it is dx of it is tan inverse of x, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus it is x square. It is tan inverse function derivative with respect to x. And but here it is given function tan inverse of, instead of this x we have the expression 1 plus x by 1 minus x, and if you have the term it is tan inverse x, derivative equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Again it is differentiate this function with respect to x as 1, but here it is a term at 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Again we want to differentiate. How to derive? First one. Now differentiation with respect to x, y as it is dy by it is dx, otherwise we can say that it is y dash, both are same. And applying of it is tan inverse of x, we applied formula 1 by 1 plus it is x square, x is called 1 plus x by 1 minus x, therefore 1 by 1 plus x term is called, it is 1 minus 1 plus x by 1 minus it is x, it is whole square. And here differentiation of x become, it is 1, that is no need, right? But here it different x term as it is what? 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Again we want to differentiate. D by dx of it is 1 plus x by 1 minus it is x. Here dy by dx of dy by dx, that is equal to y dash, and tan inverse of 1 plus x by 1 minus x equal to 1 by 1 plus x term is called 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square, 1 by 1 plus x square. But instead of this it is x, we have the term is called 1 by 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Again we want to differentiate, that is the important one. Now differentiate the second term, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus multiply square inside the bracket 1 plus x it is whole square by 1 minus it is x it is whole square into, by applying a what method here? U by v. We know d by it is dx of it is u by v, and that is equal to v square v into du by it is dx minus u into it is dv by it is dx, by applying a quotient formula. Now again what is it u here? 1 plus x, v is 1 minus x, therefore within the bracket v is called 1 minus x, it is whole square. Again numerator keep it is v 1 minus x as it is, differentiate with respect to x, numerator it is 1 plus it is x minus, keep numerator it is 1 plus it is x as it is, denominator differentiation d by it is dx of denominator 1 minus it is x. Now differentiate the equation, that is equal to, what is it? First term 1 by 1 plus x whole square by 1 minus x whole square, just we have to and multiply, take common denominator 1 minus x whole square plus 1 plus x whole square by common denominator equal 1 minus x square. That is equal to 1 by 1 minus it is x square plus it is 1 plus it is x square common denominator by 1 minus it is x square into within the bracket, and come to the second bracket. First term as it is, differentiation of 1 plus x, 1 is constant term and becomes 0, differentiate with respect to x as x it is 1, and minus 1 minus 1 plus x as it is, differentiation of bracket term 0 minus it is 1. Therefore 1 minus x as it is, differentiation of within the bracket term 0 plus it is 1, 0 plus it is 1, minus 1 plus it is x as it is, differentiation of 1 minus x 0 minus it is 1. By denominator 1 minus x it is whole square as it is. Now what is it? Numerator, denominator, again denominator goes to numerator, that is equal to 1 minus x whole square by expand a minus b, a plus b form, it is 1 square plus it is x square minus it is 2 into 1 into x, it is 2 it is x plus it is 1 square plus it is x square plus it is 2 into 1 into x is called, it is 2 it is x. Applying of a minus b whole square formula, a plus b whole square formula, and then within the bracket term, and we have the term is called, it is 1, therefore it is 1 minus x into it is 1 minus 1 plus it is x, again within the bracket minus it is 1, and denominator it is 1 minus x it is whole square as it is. Now that is equal to numerator 1 minus x it is whole square as it is by, and any of terms cancel, minus 2x plus 2x both are it is cancel, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 time of it is x square, it is 2 time of it is x square, and within the bracket term, and just remove the bracket, 1 minus x, then it is minus minus plus it is 1 and plus it is x, by it is 1 minus x it is whole square as it is. Now what is it? Here it is minus x plus x both are it is cancel, that is equal to 1 minus x whole power it is 2, and we can take possible to take as 2 is commonly, 2 into 1 plus it is x, 1 plus it is x square, and then it is what is remaining, it is 2 in the term, 2 by 1 minus it is x, it is whole square. Then these two are same term, both are it is cancel, 2 are it is cancel, and what is remaining, it is 1, what is remaining, it is 1 plus x square, 1 plus it is x square, is final simplification. Next, regarding today this class, just we try some of the sum as homework, and today exercise number it is 10.3, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, you try as homework, same it is applying of chain rule property, then you have to derive the questions. Any of the doubts, you can send this doubt sums in my WhatsApp number, I can explain once again. And dear student, and we learning a few new it is method of it is question, and totally it is deviated from it is 10th standard. So we have to practice the derivatives first of all. Every day you can take 10 derivatives, each one as right as 5 times to take a practice for every day. After that only we have to go for it is derivative, it is easy to derive. We have to do the proper practice for the formulas, and the remaining of the 10.3 exercise we continue next video. Thank you one and all.